You're staring at your computer. It's 5:47 p.m. You've just gotten that congratulations email. You're getting a 3% raise this year. And instead of feeling excited, you feel nothing. Maybe even a little defeated. Because you did the math. And 3% doesn't even cover the rent increase you got last month. Your paycheck is like a dog chasing a car it's never, ever going to catch. You're doing everything right. You show up early, you stay late, you take on more responsibility. But the hard, sobering truth is this. Your salary alone will not make you rich. Not now, not ever. No matter how hard you work, salaries aren't designed to build wealth. They're designed to sustain you. Just enough to keep you showing up tomorrow. You just need a system that works quietly in the background, a safety net, an income boost, and it starts with just 5 to 7 hours a week. Here's the frustrating part. This isn't just a problem for average earners, it's a trap for high earners too. You make more money, your lifestyle expands with it, and you're still trading every hour for $1. Your stress increases, but your freedom doesn't. So if working harder for a salary doesn't work, then what does? Leverage. The financially free don't ask, how can I work harder to earn more? They ask, how can I create something once that pays me over and over again? You don't need to be a software engineer or an influencer to do this. You just need a simple content to product system. Here's how it works in 3 parts. Publish once a week. Pick something you know. Maybe something your past self struggled with. Write a short post, record a video, share something useful. You don't need a big audience. You just need to be consistent. Your content becomes a magnet for the right people. Solve one small problem with a paid product. You don't need a perfect product or a huge following. Start small. A $2 template, a $10 ebook, a $20 mini course. You don't need 100 customers. Start with 10, then 20. This is where most people quit. But if you keep going, you build momentum. Automate and scale what works. Once people start buying, you can automate. Use email sequences, repurpose content, maybe even hire a little help. Your time begins to compound. Within 6 to 12 months, this can become a small but mighty business, one that's completely yours. But I don't have a brand or a following or time. Nobody does when they start. What separates those who make it from those who don't isn't going viral. It's showing up when no one's watching. You write for 10 people, then 50, then 500. You block out a couple of hours a week. You treat it like a slow experiment, not a leap of faith. This isn't about becoming a content creator. It's about building something that pays you for something other than your time. Eventually, you'll realize this might be the first income you've ever had that doesn't rely on someone else's permission. You won't wake up rich, but you'll feel a growing sense of control. You won't panic during layoffs. You'll say, no, more easily. You'll have a safety net that pays your rent or buys back your time. Most people wait 40 years for retirement. You can spend 1 year building a system that gives you freedom now. Your salary is earned once. A system earns forever. Your salary stops when you stop. A system grows. Your salary is tied to your job. A system is tied to your independence. So the next time someone tells you to chase a promotion or wait for a raise, ask yourself, what if I stopped trying to earn more and started building better? The answer might just change your life. If you enjoy this video, you might want to check this out too. Thank you for watching.
When he talking?
My name is Jeff.